Hey designers, do you want to create a chrome effect text in Photoshop? Let's get started. Open Photoshop. Then use the text tool to write your text. Adjust the position, font, and size of your text as needed. Next, select the smudge tool. However, we can't work on the text with the smudge tool because it hasn't been rasterized yet. So, first, we need to rasterize the text. Rasterizing allows you to edit the text with various tools. After rasterizing the text, take the smudge tool and draw a downward stroke on the bottom of the text. Continue doing this for the entire text. Once you're done, let's add a gradient. Double-click on the text layer. In the Layer Style menu, click on Gradient Overlay and choose a gray and white gradient. Set the blending mode to Hard Mix. Next, go to Bevel and Emboss and ensure that Inner Bevel is selected. Set the angle to -30 and choose the double ring option for the glass contour. Then, go to Effects and apply a gradient map. We need to clip this gradient map to the shine layer. Move your mouse between these two layers. Hold down the Alt key, and click when the mouse changes to a downward arrow. This will clip the gradient map to the shine layer. In the gradient map settings, select a default color from the options available in Photoshop. Once you've chosen a color, press OK. To add more flare, apply a twirl effect by going to Filter, Distort, and selecting Twirl. Set the angle to 50 and press OK. You're done. Feel free to adjust the values and colors to create unique designs. If you found this tutorial helpful, like, comment, and subscribe to Ace Designs.